Dumbbell Skullcrusher. This is a great movement to get even more range of motion out of your tricep than you normally would be able to with a barbell or an easy curl bar. So the weights are going to go to the shoulder, right outside your head. Keep your elbows pointed forward. So you're lying down on the bench. Bring them down. Your elbows are going to stay pretty much in the same place. Down. So you get a lot more bend at the elbow and then extend, trying to keep those elbows in the same spot.